morning, guys. Hey guys, so today we're traveling through the Skeleton Coast from Swakopmund to a place called Etendeka Mountain Lodge. Littered throughout this coast was gems. We saw shipwrecks and an abandoned oil rig. It was insane. So yeah, back to the video. It's cold, but down there we just went to have a look at the shipwreck. Going down to see a shipwreck. A shipwreck behind us. This is a proper thing. We're in like an old oil rig, right? Holy shit! I'm just standing on an old oil rig. Like, this is sketchy as. Holy flip, it's so cool. So all of this thing here, used to be a tower that went up there. That's so crazy. It's windy, but I think we're gonna go back. Check how dirty the car is, but we have made it. Pause. At this point in the video, none of us knew what we were getting ourselves into. We basically just climbed on this game vehicle and started driving into the middle of nowhere. Now, Etendeka Mountain Lodge, they basically accommodate walking tours. So when you stay there, you go on a walking tour and you sleep under the stars for 3 days. At the time, we weren't really prepared, but yeah, here we go. We're about to embark on our walking tour. We're doing our first walk this trip, just in the bush. Our guide's like, yeah, we have all the animals big 5, and everything he said. Like the other day, he had tourists with him like rams and lions, and now I'm shitting my pants. Imagine lions like walked into us. We did. I think yeah, like what he said, like they look mate, we did. So the place we stay at, Etendeka, the meaning of that word is flat mountains. As you can see by all the mountains around it, they're all flat. But the sun is kind of setting now. Lights getting more crispy. The sun is about to set, I reckon. I can see the camp. So we've made it to the camp. I'm hiding here behind the wall. This is like the things that we're sleeping on. It's like just like a little platform off the ground. They're like in the middle of this like reserve, like wild animals can come at night. And here's the social area. It's gonna be a very interesting night. We're doing a little quick room tour for you guys. I don't think it'll be much because there ain't much here. Okay, so this is the shower. We have 1 bucket of water, which is 1 liter per person to shower. I guess you like open that tap here and the water comes out. Check the moon. Bathroom, we got a little mirror here. And then a toilet. Yeah. So this is what the room looks like. We're sleeping under the stars. That's our bed for the night. This light's really bright. We just had supper now. Sorry I didn't film much. There's other people in the camp and yeah, settling in for a night under the stars. I don't know what to expect. I ain't gonna lie, I'm quite nervous. Like, yeah, this is like really. Oh, there's a bug. Here's the cribs. I'm tucked under 2 blankets plus this one here. Here's my little torch. I can shine it like. Then we have the other bed there. Put all my bags under the bed. Yeah, I think that's basically it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I'm so scared right now. Like, what if I get eaten? Like, what if there's a lion? But I'm scared. It's so scary, like. That's the edge, like this tiny thing is between me and animals. No fences, no nothing. Guys, I'm so scared.